From what I can tell in the rules, there is no determination of what difficulty you're supposed to play. I accidentally drank that. Oops.
Whoopsie.
We'll just say that's in honor of all the enemies that we're going to slay. We poured one out for the boys.
Poured one out for the boys.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Oh,
sir.
goodness. Hello.
Sir. Sir. Thank you. You have my Jumpy Buster. You have my Sing. And you down here have my other Sink, as well as all my monsters. Give it. You got a goober. Gimme. And then, of course, we clear out this area so that later on when we go fight Shrek, it's fine. I did get the one in the kitchen, right?
I think you did.
Alright, cool.
I guess we'll find out.
We will find out, because we have to swing by it. Let me go get... Yeah, I got it. Cool. Yeah, I have to swing by it when I go get Drunk Buddy. Christmas makes me happy. How about you? Does Christmas make you happy?
I like Christmas.
Do you vibe with Christmas?
I do.
I do.
I'm one of those people that really, really likes Christmas.
Of course, I'm the nerd who's just like, oh my god, Halloween. Alright. Pray for a good Shrek fight. Hey, that was actually a pretty decent one. I keep clearing out the wrong room. Whoopsie. And Kenny's milkshake. So now we go in here. Yes. We've got it all. Oh yeah. I have the power of God.
So silly.
It'll get me. It'll get me every time. Stop it.
Ow.
Owie. Stop getting caught. Right.
Ow. Ow.
True happiness has to be fought for. Meanwhile, here I am, driving my fucking lawnmower to work. Check a monster. I'm sorry, the burp underwater is very funny. Why is that, of all things, the thing that gets me? Alright.
Women will be like, I don't know why I'm so anxious, and then drink their third iced coffee and turn on a true crime podcast.
Alright, we're back at the house.
We're doing it.
We're doing it.
We're doing
making
it.
This
We're
one
in the
happen.
brutalist maze.
Alright. Now it's just a matter of... Oh wait, this is called the maze?
The last time I heard it referred to, it was called the brutalist maze.
Oh, see, that makes sense. Alright. Come out here. So we can go down.
Down the hole.
I forgot about Big Dog. Uh-oh. I mean, I think we'll still be fine. I feel like...
As long as you're fast.
I'm on a lawnmower. I think I'm plenty fast.
Run along. You're fine.
Get my pumpkin. Then we very quietly turn this corner. Alright, so Frisbee, pumpkin. Now we just gotta get Tuner.
Kitties love tuna.
Kitties love tunas.
Holy shit!
Alright. I forget where I go now. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh wait, yeah, I remember. we go this way. Bye, doggy.
Ignore the dog sounds.
Yeah, ignore dog sounds and ignore the sounds of idle games being played in the background. I went the wrong way. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. Ignore the health pickup as much as I don't want to because it's funny. How do I make this work again? There we go. Come here. The Latias. Alright. That's pills. Meaning last... We're at the end. We just gotta do show.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah, we just gotta do show. Which we should...
Fall out of a plane on your...
Yeah, fall out of the plane on my lawnmower. Yep, as it is.
As you do.
It was like the wind, you came running. And because we are not doing true happiness, we're coming down here, opening this.
Light it up.
Breaker. This is the funniest thing, just mowing down all these creatures. Quite literally. Unfortunately, now my problem is, I don't remember where I go after this.
Uh-oh.
Oh wait, no, I do remember, it's down in the basement. I come down here to the breaker room. Because now, we go back to house. Because now we're back in house. Oh, hold on, wait. Now we gotta go back to big house, which is over here. But we can't go that way. Right. So we have to go to the... Hi, dog. So how do we get to... Oh, right. Hee. Sorry, dog. Oh, I thought we were gonna make it. Okay, it's fine. And then we do the thing where now we just immediately drop. House is destroyed. House is gone.
Get the fuck out.
And time. Okay, that's basically time. Okay, wow, sub 10, like I was saying. Oh my god.
Sub 10.
There were definitely points where I could clean that up, but I am proud of that.
Yeah.
I am proud of that run for sure.
There's plenty of time saves that you can get, but you have a submittable run.
I have a submittable run, and that is what excites me the most. Ah, yes, baby! I'm so excited.